Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send an attachment via email or by email. Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to our camera and we're going to take a picture of our assignment. Review the assignment to make sure it's in focus. You could do some editing to make it come out really nice, like, size these things here. Save. Everything is in focus, so I'm good. And now you could send this via email on your phone, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to send it from my computer. So once you have taken your picture or secured your PDF, you will head over to your Gmail account. Click on Compose. Alright, so be sure to put your assignment number and your assignment name. Alright, and then you are going to be attaching. You see this little thing here, this little paper clip. You're going to click on attach, and you're going to find the file. Alright, so once you find your file, you click open. Well, you click on it first, right? Obviously. Make sure that's your file. Then you click on open. File get attached. It's there. And you can send. Alright, so I'm sending it to myself just to show you how to do it. Right? And here is notice the file is attached. This is the actual one that came in. This is the one that I sent. Notice I can view the file here, and here is the assignment. So this is how you send your assignment as an attachment via email using Gmail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.